Hello, my name is Aswin and I am here to demonstrate the group work of group 7. Other members of this group are Anish, Allwin and Manjusri. So here we have a smart irrigation system. For this we have it is powered by an Arduino Uno, and we have added an LCD screen, a temperature sensor LM35 which you can see here, and then we have the soil moisture sensor which contains basically two parts. One part is connected to the breadboard and the other part, this part is dipped in water to measure the soil moisture. Then we have the pump, which is basically connected to an external source of 9 volt and the relay module, which makes the pump on when the temperature is above the limit and the moisture content goes below a limit. When either the temperature goes down or the humidity the moisture goes up, the pump will turn off. And we have added a potentiometer which helps us to adjust the brightness of the LCD screen. Now let's go and turn on the Arduino. Now let us go into the working. So now I have connected the Arduino to the laptop, and now you can see in the LCD monitor the temperature in degrees Celsius and the status of the water pump. And you can see two LEDs here, one is green and the other one is red, which is turned off. The green turns on when the water pump is off and the red turns on when the water pump is on. Then we have the soil moisture sensor. As you can see, when we dip the sensor in the water, an LED, red LED blows on the other part of the soil moisture sensor. You can see here. As I take off, it turns off, and as I dip, it turns on. So for the motor to turn on, we should let the soil moisture sensor free, and we should increase the temperature here. We have set the limit to 37.5 degrees Celsius, so we have to increase the temperature beyond that. For that, let us try and use a lighter. Now let us light the lighter near the temperature sensor to bring the temperature above 37.5. We can see the temperature is 47 now, somewhere near that, and the motor is on and the water is flowing through the pipe, and the red LED blows instead of the green one. And we can see if the temperature goes down 37.5, the motor turns off. Since I used a fire, the temperature variation is not so smooth. Now let us try to light the lighter near the temperature sensor again to bring up the temperature, and then turn the motor off by dipping the soil moisture sensor into the water. First let us bring the temperature up. We can see the motor is working, and if I dip the soil moisture sensor in the water, the motor stops, and when I take it out, it goes on again, and when I dip it, it turns off. So that happens when the temperature is already above 37.5. Now when the temperature falls below 37.5, the green LED turns on and the motor will turn off. So we have made the system such that the motor turns off when either the soil moisture goes above a limit or the temperature falls below a limit. So here in this LCD screen we can see the real-time temperature and the status of the water pump. So for different crops, the soil moisture limit and the temperature limit should be different. For this demonstration purpose, we have set the temperature limit to 37.5 degrees Celsius and the soil moisture limit to almost 50%. And that is the end of this demonstration. Thank you for watching.